Hello everyone, so today's video I'm going to show you how to install a sink stopper on a broken sink drain. On a sink drain that is broken right here. This is plug and play. You don't have to replace this assembly. So I'm going to show you how to install this. We're going to be installing this one. So this is really easy to install and it's plug and play. Really easy and no tools required for this. Once you open it, just take this rubber ring out and pull this protective case off. Packet has instructions on how to install it, so always make sure you read it before you install it. You just need to install this rubber gasket on the pop-up drain. Make sure you install it. Make sure the rubber gasket is properly seated to the actual gasket and pop it in to the sink drain. Push it down with firm pressure. Just do that until it goes in. Just need to slightly twist it as the rubber gasket onto the pop-up drain is seating against on the base of the drain, giving it good sealing tension. And it's all done. Make sure you do a leak test to see if it's not leaking. And you can see there's no leaks. The process is done. Always make sure to do a leak test to make sure there's no air gaps around the base of this plug-in sink drain that you install. And this is how to install a sink plug-in drain on a broken sink drain. If this video was helpful, if it did, hit that like button. I really appreciate it, and make sure you hit that subscribe button or notification bell so you'll be notified too, so you will never miss a video that we upload on this repair channel. And have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.